Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys the sound test of Harman Kardon sound system in BMW 5 series F10 to 2015. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 speakers and 2 subwoofers under the seat. And this is my equalizer. The fader is 3 dots in the rear, and the balance is supposed to be 3 dots to the left if you want to get a perfect sound for the driver. This is the favorite song of the most of the YouTubers who are playing it, especially in India. I seen this is very common song, so I thought I will play the same song, and you guys can see the sound. The subwoofer bass is still good in this car, but it's not really that powerful that you won't see any vibration in the mirror and all. So you won't see any vibration in the mirror and all. It just, you can just feel the woofer, that's it.